Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. With an accuracy of 90%, Google Translate can translate documents of all kinds. People are out there looking for a translator, and with Google Translate as your friend, you can make good money. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $500 per day from Google Translate. Make sure you stick around until the end, as you don't want to miss this amazing technique that could get you rich quick. Number 6, make a PayPal. Firstly, you need a way to earn money. With the rise of online jobs, you will also find many ways to store your money digitally through online wallets. One of the best and most reliable ways to do so is by using PayPal. PayPal is an online wallet that you will definitely want to sign up for. With this, you can easily send and receive payments. You can also instantly send money from one user to another user. You can add a bank account and bank cards to your PayPal. If you would like to withdraw your money, you can easily do that as well. You can withdraw into your bank account and then go to an ATM to get the cash. Now, how do you sign up? First of all, you need to visit the PayPal website. Then, go to the top of the page and look for the button that says Sign Up. Click on that. Now it'll ask you if you'd like to make a personal account or a business account. Select Personal Account. Then it'll ask you for some details that you'll need to enter in order to create an account. You will first need a valid email address. Enter this into the designated box. Then, choose a password. When choosing a password, make sure it's secure and only you know it, because this is where you'll be storing the money you earn, and you don't want to lose that. Now, hit enter and you're all set. You can also download the PayPal app on your mobile device to earn on the go. It's simple. Number 5, go to Upwork. Upwork is a fantastic website for freelancers. On this website, instead of putting up gigs, you look for gigs. Clients will put up job postings, and you'll be able to see these through a myriad of categories. From graphic design to video editing to information technology, you'll find what you're looking for as a freelancer here. Like the other freelancing sites, you won't need any hefty skills to work on Upwork. You just need a basic understanding of what you're doing and how the website works. Upwork works with a system of points. Each job posting requires you to turn in a few points in exchange for a proposal. Other people will be bidding for the same job, so you should make sure you have a great proposal. Send in a polished resume and cover letter to make sure you land the gig. To sign up for Upwork, first go to their website. Then, at the top of the page, select the green Sign Up button. It'll then ask you for your work email. You could also sign up with a Google account. Once you enter that, you'll be set to go. When looking for the right gig, select from the categories available. Also remember, each proposal you send in will take away your points. To earn more points, you need to land a job. That's why it's important to have a good proposal. The client may require you to have certain skills or answer a specific question, so make sure you read through the job posting very carefully. Number 4, go to Fiverr. Fiverr is another great website for freelancers and people looking for services. Fiverr.com has generated a following recently as the place for a plethora of freelance marketing materials and services. However, in this gig economy, there are hundreds of freelancers and platforms competing for your marketing dollar. So is Fiverr worth the hype? Freelancers use this website to sell their services, and customers use this website to find services. It's great for both parties since there are a ton of different categories included. There are many different services on Fiverr. You can find logo designers, app developers, website auditors, and many more. If you're a freelancer, you can set up virtually any kind of gig imaginable. Maybe you're thinking you don't have the skills to work on Fiverr. Well, you're wrong. Many people have simple gigs such as sending birthday greeting videos and writing simple jokes. In order to earn from Google Translate, you will want to sign up to as many freelancing websites as possible. Fiverr is one of the top freelancing websites out there, so you'll find big opportunity using this website. So let's sign up. First of all, go to the Fiverr website. Then go to the top of the page and select Become a Seller. A new page will appear. Click on the green Become a Seller again, and it will ask you for your email address. Additionally, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Enter that, then you'll be ready to go. You'll need to set up a gig, which is quite simple. Set up a gig that offers translation services. You can offer translation for many different options, such as subtitles and documents. Also, you'll want to set your price. This is up to you, but think of a price that will earn you decent profit. Fiverr will take a small cut from each sale you make, so keep that in mind as well. Number 3, go to Latium. Latium is a great website for both freelancers and clients. On this website, you'll see job postings for freelancers. This is easy to use and great for earning. On the Latium website, clients will post jobs. Those jobs could either be bid projects or instant hire projects. Let's take a look at the bid projects. These projects are meant to be bid on, so freelancers will have to offer their best price and good proposals in order to get hired. Instant hire jobs allow clients to instantly hire someone that's able to take the job. Freelancers will start on these projects right away, and then clients will review the work. Clients can also choose whether they want to hire one or multiple freelancers. Once they hire, they will pay only once they are satisfied with the work, so make sure your work is good enough to get paid for. Now, it's time to sign up for Latium. First, go to the Latium website. Then, you will go to the top of the main page. Now click on the blue Sign Up for Free button. That's right, it's completely free to sign up. Once you click on that, you'll be led to a page that asks you for a few things. You will need to enter a valid email address, your full name, a username, and a password. Then click Continue. You're all set to start looking for work through Latium. It's that simple. Now look for job postings and start getting to work. It is best to look for instant hire jobs so you can work right away and get paid quicker. This becomes a website that you should definitely check out. Number 2, find gigs looking for translations. What brought you here was a simple and easy way to earn money. That way is via Google Translate. Now that you've signed up for a couple of freelance websites, it's time to start looking for ways to get gigs through each of these websites. You will want to find translation jobs. You don't even need to be bilingual to do this. Here's a few ways to find jobs through the sites you're already signed up for. On Latium, you'll want to search gigs posted by clients. Look for jobs that are hiring translators. It's best to go for the instant hire jobs so you can start right away as opposed to the bid posts. With the bid posts, you'll be competing with many other freelancers, so you might have a lower chance of getting the job unless you have a super polished resume and proposal ready. Find many translation jobs and take them. For Upwork, it's a similar process to Latium. You'll want to find job postings looking for translators. Once you find a couple, send in proposals for all of them. Answer any questions they may ask you in the job posting. Also, make sure your proposal is professional and you sound like the best fit, since you will be one of many that may bid for this job. Send in as many proposals as you can in order to have better chances of landing a job. Fiverr works a bit differently than the other websites. For Fiverr, you'll need to set up a gig page. Set one up that states you offer translation services. Start out with an affordable price so people will be drawn to ordering from you. Then, once you gain momentum, raise your prices. On Fiverr, you can offer either one price for all or a 3-tiered payment system. With the 3-tiered payment system, you will offer 3 different prices depending upon the specifications of the project. Say you want to charge extra for more pages. On Fiverr, you can do that. Find the prices that create the best profit for you and set for them. Then, wait for the clients to come to you. It may take some time, but once you get one job, you'll get a lot of other jobs. Number 1, translate with Google Translate. Google Translate is a wonderful online tool from Google. Many people use it and it has a 90% accuracy rate. That's pretty good for a translator. You can also use it to earn, so that makes it even better. To earn from it, you will take the jobs you got from the freelancing sites and translate via Google Translate. Say someone needs you to translate a Spanish document into English. You don't need to understand Spanish in order to do this. Just take the document, copy it, then paste it into Google Translate. Now you'll have the translation that is from Spanish to English. Take the English portion and polish it so it's grammatically correct, then submit the work. That's how easy it can be. Now you can translate anything, Russian to German, French to Korean. The possibilities are virtually endless. Try this technique out because you can earn hundreds of dollars a day from it. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there!